All right, what is the characteristic that comes with the next group of critters? I forgot to put the movement to land on this cladogram, so I just added that while we weren't here. So make sure that you have that all of these plants, they actually came to land, and that's why we're talking about them all. Bryophytes came to land, but they didn't have water tubes. Pteridophytes had water tubes, and so does everybody else. And then we get an adaptation that I'm not kidding. Well, dude, you know me. Everything is freaking amazing. They get seeds. What? They get seeds, and these are the Gymnosperms. And I'm going to put the Angiosperms on here too. And this is it. We're not adding more to this, this image or to our cladogram. Okay, never mind. We're not adding any more critters to our cladogram. But let's talk about seeds. What are seeds and what is the purpose of these? And what are Gymnosperms? Because that's what we're talking about right now. Gymnosperms are Christmas trees. Good timing. What happened? Why did my Christmas tree go away? There. Gymnosperms are evergreen trees, and there aren't that many of them, but that ancestor had two significant growth opportunities, things, the improvements, adaptations. They got seeds and they got wood, and the wood made them super hardy. The wood made it so they could go even farther than ferns could go, getting into land and being without water. The seeds meant that now they can reproduce without water. Seeds enabled reproduction without water. And probably the first thing, right? You're probably just sitting there going, but Riggs, is the tree the sporophyte or the gametophyte? And I shall tell you true, the tree is the sporophyte. And what does this have to do with the seed? Well, let me tell you. The sporophyte diploid tree makes cones, and you have seed cones and you have pollen cones, and inside the seed, inside it, you have a female gametophyte. So what do you think is inside the pollen? A male gametophyte. No, I'm serious. Dude, what? Reproduction without water happens because of seeds and pollen. Pollen is carrying the male gametophyte. The seed is carrying the female gametophyte, which produces basically the egg, which produces the sperm, and fertilization happens when the pollen pollinates the seed. Now, what is a seed? It's basically, dude, it's a sack lunch. Pollination happened because of wind. Let's be this right here. Only requires wind. That's it. You just need wind to blow the pollen from the male cones onto the female cones, which will allow the male gametophyte to go into this seed and find the female gametophyte inside the seed. And what is the seed? It is food and protection for the baby sporophyte, which got formed when the pollen combined with the seed. Yes, that's how it happened. Now you have this sack lunch that goes with this, like this kid now has a lunch. It's surrounded in lunch and it can go off. It can be carried off by critters. Nice strategy. It can be buried by, have you ever watched, like, what did I read? Something like 90% of the nuts that are buried by squirrels are never found. Like they never find what they bury and eat. Maybe it was squirrels. I can't remember if it was squirrels or if it was the jays, the Stellar's jays that go around and bury your peanuts that you feed them. Because doesn't everybody feed peanuts to the Stellar's jays? I don't know, but they bury them and then awesome. That's a great strategy because the tree, the plant, just got its seed buried. And now that seed has a sack lunch inside of it, which is why seeds are really tasty to eat. And we try to find them and eat them because they have a lot of nutrition in there because mom packed a lunch. For real. And then it will grow. The wood allows the tree to conserve its water, and the seeds allow it to reproduce without water. This is the first time plants haven't been able to do this yet, to reproduce without water. Keep that in your brain. Reproduction. What's the role of water in reproduction for animals? Somebody remind me. Oh, dude, somebody remind me to talk about this when we get to animals. Okay, the next the next character that is about to arise is going to give rise to angiosperms and is going to like blow the whole thing apart.